The Science of Reading Project by Austin Hardy. Introduction. The science of reading is something extremely important when teaching. I feel like it has to be conducted when you learn and read and incorporates phenomenal awareness and teaching students how to read and write, which is the most important thing. What is the science of reading? The science of reading is the studies that experts conducted and how they actually learn how to read. Theoretical models. When reading, there are three basic models on how reading occurs: up, top, down, and interactive reading is a decoding process. The models attempt to interrogate variables in both assumption and performance. Consist of sets of assumptions about some objects or systems. A system of attributing to what might be called interstructure or composition. Phenomenal awareness is very important, I feel like, because it's the individual awareness of the phonological structure or sound structure of words. The five levels of phonical awareness is rhyming, alliteration, sentence segmentation, syllables, and as onset and rhymes. And I feel like that's really important also because those are skills that you need to be able to read and to do it very fluently, I feel like. Um, phonics. Phonics is a relationship between the letters when we write and the sounds in which we speak. So that is, very important when teaching and, trying to get your students to read and comprehend. The goal of phonics is to set star movement from the letters, sound, and comprehension and graphemes. Fluency. Fluency is the ability for readers to read words quickly, accurately, with the proper expression. So that I feel like is very important also. And this is the bridge between students decoding the words properly, then being able to comprehend what they actually reading. So that is also a very important point to vocabulary. Vocabulary is the words that we know we use that help communicate with others around us effectively. And I feel like that is very important. Also, cod emphasis versus meaning emphasis. I feel like this is a very logical points right here for both. The approach, no, cod emphasis is the approach helps students learn specific codes or a set of letters and words that help with phonemic awareness. Meaning emphasis, the approach wants students to use whole word reading. This starts to help them learn the word's meaning, which is also very important. Orthographic mapping is the mental process we use to store words for immediate, effortless retrieval. When students start making connections between new words and they already know. So, conclusion. Using all their different strategies and approaches to teaching students how to read will more than likely conduct excellent readers. So with um, all these like situations and um, all these vocabulary words, phonics, fluency, phonological awareness. With all these, I feel like will create excellent readers and writers. And I feel like that, that's the most important thing when it comes to the science of reading. Um, so many of these strategies also help with going interventions to children that are not reading on the grade level. So, with the help of these many different tools that we have with phonics and fluency, which I feel like will definitely broaden a student's reading level and hopefully exceed their reading level also. Here are my references for the science of reading that I used, and hope you guys enjoyed the presentation.